Morning, everybody. I've been rereading Two Second Lean to get some inspiration and to sort of recommit myself to what it is we're trying to do. And there's a lot of things that we're doing right, and a whole bunch of things that we should be doing better. Scrolling up the screen right now is a PDF that's included in the book of lean principles, practices, um, keys to building a lean culture, and the results of building a lean culture. And these are all things that we want as a company, and these are all things that we can do. So a lot of stuff is right. The morning meeting, the videos, but there's a few steps that we really need to take if we're going to transform the culture here. And those include 3Sing, which is to sweep, to sort, to standardize. We should really be cleaning our own facility, and we're going to begin doing that in the warehouse. We've tried and failed, and we need to recommit. We need to learn to see waste everywhere all the time and dedicate to eliminating that waste. And then make it a goal to tour both Toyota and to tour FastCab. I think if we commit ourselves to these things, then we should be in really good shape. And yeah, so that's where we are right now.